Hey there, my name's Chris. Thanks for joining me for the fifth and final video of the How It Works series, where we'll look at the last steps of your shopping journey with us. Once all the details of your project have been confirmed, your stone is ready to be cut, buffed, and prepared for delivery and installation. Now, the process begins when the selected slabs are transported to the fabrication facility. Specialized jet saws are used to cut the pieces you've selected for complete accuracy, while the CNC routers will be used to complete the edge profile you've selected. Now, the finishing touches are always done by hand at marble.com when your pieces are inspected and are prepared for transportation to the job site. It's time to prepare your home for installation. It's at this point that the balance will be collected, and the acceptable forms of payment at this time are only a cashier's check or money order. No other forms of payment will be accepted. Please take the following steps to facilitate a safe and efficient installation. First, consider appropriate flooring protection during the installation process. Our technicians will be wearing safety boots and are not permitted to remove them under any circumstances. Next, prepare safe and easy access to the entrance of the installation site, clear of obstructions, debris, and other hazards, and ensure a proper parking space. All stoves need to be removed prior to installation, and failure to do so may result in damages such as scratches. Heavy sinks must be installed and secured prior to the arrival of the installation team. Keep in mind that certain stone alterations might be done at the job site. For this reason, we ask you to keep an electrical outlet free for our use. It's also important to remember that marble.com does not engage in any electrical, plumbing, carpentry, or tile work. All plumbing work should be scheduled at least 24 hours after the installation of your countertops. Now, we hope to see you again soon here at marble.com. Thanks for watching, and this concludes the How It Works series.